Hello friends, welcome back to Pathshala. As we all know that our body is made up of tiny cells, and these cells require food, oxygen, water, and they also have to discard the waste material from their from their own content to function well or for proper functioning. And to transport this all these essential items from each and every part of the cell is a very specialized system. So to carry all these essential substances from one part of the body to each and every part of the cell is known as transportation. So, a life process that require for the or that requirement for transportation of different types of materials from one part of the body to another, this event is known as transportation. So our today's topic is transportation. Transportation. Now, there are different modes of transportation. So, if we discuss the modes of transportation, so there are basically two types or two modes of transportation. First, in unicellular organism. So, an unicellular organism contains only a single cell. So, in their body, the materials or the essential things like the food, oxygen, water transport into their body, or uh, they intake those particles or intake those things in their cell by the process of diffusion. They also discard waste material and carbon dioxide also via this diffusion process. So, in unicellular organism, the mode of transportation is diffusion process. And in case of multicellular organism, they have developed a very special kind of system in their body to transport all these necessary essential elements from outside to inside their body, as well as to discard the waste material. In plants and in animals, both have specialized transportation system. So, in multicellular plants, the specialized transportation system name is vascular system. We all know that plants have a specialized tissue known as xylem as well as phloem. So, this xylem and phloem together forms the vascular bundle or vascular system. So, through this vascular system, plants transport the essential things in their body. And in animals or in multicellular animals, there is a specialized system to transport the essential things. So, in multicellular animals, the uh, transportation system name is circulatory system. Circulatory system. So in multicellular organism, there is a circulatory system present. Some of the multicellular organism or some of the multicellular animal have closed type of circulatory system, means the circulatory material or circulatory medium move through a closed vessel, whereas some of the animals, multicellular animals, have open type of circulatory system. They don't have any kind of vessel in their body to transport the circulatory medium. They actually their body cavity is an open type and the circulatory medium flows openly in their body. In case of insects like cockroaches, like ants, in their body, the transportation system or the circulatory system present in their body is open type. Whereas in humans and in higher order animals, the circulatory system present is the closed type circulatory system. Next, we discuss the transportation medium in humans. So the next topic is transportation in human. So humans also need to transport the essential elements from outside of their body to inside. Transportation in humans. For proper functioning of each and every cell in human body, cells require water, oxygen, essential nutrients, food, etc. from outer environment to inside each and every cell of our body for proper functioning and the cell structure also. And after metabolism process or after respiration process, different kinds of waste materials formed in each and every cell, and the cell have to discard the waste material for proper functioning or to live well. So to transport these things in each and every cell and to discard the waste material from cell, humans have a well developed circulatory system, and that circulatory system is closed type circulatory system. So the human circulatory system actually has three parts. The first one is circulatory medium. Circulatory medium consists of blood and lymph. Second thing is blood vessels. So the second thing is blood vessels. So the blood vessels are, as we all know, arteries, then the veins and the capillaries. The third one is a pumping medium or a pumping organ. So the pumping medium or the pumping organ is heart. So there are three types of circulatory part in human body. The first one is circulatory medium, which contain blood and lymph. Second thing is the vessels. Blood vessels contain arteries, veins and capillaries, and there also a lymph vessel to transport the lymph. Next is a pumping medium or a pumping organ, rather I say the pumping organ. So the pumping organ is the heart in our body. So human circulatory system has 3 parts. In next session, we will discuss about the first medium, that is blood. So thank you so much for today's session. I hope you enjoyed this session very well. Thank you so much.